Hi everyone, we are Solar Minds Renewable, a UTM spin-off with a clear mission. We realize that while the world is rapidly shifting toward green technology and Industry 4.0, Malaysian students are still stuck with textbook theory. Solar Mind exists to bridge this gap. We fuse the digital power of microbit technology with the practical application of renewable energy. We are not just teaching students about sustainability, we are providing the kits that let them engineer it. Our goal is to transform passive learners into eco-conscious innovators of tomorrow. So why is this necessary? Despite the national push for STEM, many students are disconnected because they lack immersive hands-on experience. There is a massive gap between the theory they learn in the class and the practical skills the industry actually needs. Worse, the current market solutions are generic. You can buy electronic parts, but they fail to integrate critical sustainability concepts like solar and wind energy. This leaves our teachers without the right tools to teach green tech, resulting in a generation that digitally aware but not technically capable of solving real environmental challenges.
Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about our key partners in our business, which is one of the most important part in our business model canvas. So for our key partners, we are relying a lot on our meaningful collaboration with University Technical Malaysia Melaka. University Technical Malaysia Melaka, or UTM, is a prestigious university which excels in producing hundreds and thousands of students and graduates which excels at technical skills. Next, we are also in partnerships with Microbit Educational Foundation. Microbit Educational Foundation is a foundation that caters and nurtures students and hobbyists alike which are interested in learning more about the Microbit microcontroller. By making sure that we have a strong partnership with this foundation, we are making sure that we can reach out to those who are in need of our product or those who are potentially could become our customers in the near future. Lastly, and most importantly, we are also in partnership with Kementerian Pendidikan Malaysia. The reason why this partnership is very important to us because Kementerian Pendidikan Malaysia caters to a lot of our target market, which is primary school students and teachers alike. Next, I'm going to talk about our key activities at Solar Minds Sdn Bhd. Our key activities involves two main activities, which is one, production and distribution of proprietary microbit renewable energy learning, which is the solar and wind kits, in which we fully utilizes the alternative energy resources, that is the solar and wind energy, in order to produce a much cleaner and safer alternative for the future, while also teaching the future generation about the use of microcontroller through the use of microbit microcontroller. Next, we are also specialized in the train-the-trainer courses for KSSR or KSSM instructors and students, in which we train the next generation of students and instructors alike in order to use our product to its fullest potential and even better, maybe innovate with our product. Next, I'm going to talk about our key resources, which are very crucial to us in our company. It is divided into four main key resources, which is one, the physical resources. The physical resources involves our facilities, machine, and prototypes in which we utilizes to produce and distribute our model across Malaysia. Next is our intellectual resources. Intellectual resources can be something like knowledge or patent or copyright and customer database, which we utilizes in order to expand our business and our market all across Malaysia and maybe even the Southeast Asia market. Next, I'm going to talk about our human resources, in which our company have 8 currently working employees, including me, which are working very hard in order to step up our companies to improve our standing across the global market. Our financial resources comprise of grants, financial guarantees, and also sponsors. By utilizing all of these three main points of our financial resources, we are able to have a solid groundwork in order to build our business and expand it even further in the Malaysia and Southeast Asia market.
Okay, now let's start with the why. Why do people choose our microbit renewable energy kits? We have tailored our value proposition for two distinct groups, which is schools and hobbyists. First, for school, our focus is entirely on removing barriers to entry. We are curriculum ready. Teachers are busy. They don't have time to build lesson plans from scratch. Our kits are designed to support STEM, physics, and environmental science modules right out of the box with minimal setup time. Safety and durability, we know the classroom environment. That's why we have built these kits with protected circuitry and no solder connection. This ensures the class stay focused on learning the concept, not troubleshooting loose wires or dealing with safety hazards. Second, for the hobbyist and B2C, business to consumer market, our value lies in versatility. Seamless integration, we didn't want to reinvent the wheel. We wanted to make the wheel better. Our kits fit perfectly into the existing microbit ecosystem. Whether a maker is building a remote weather station, a smart irrigation system, or a solar tracking robot, our kit provides the integration and data logging capabilities they need to bring those complex projects to life. Okay, now let's look at the how. What are the major costs involved in delivering this high-level educational value? Our cost structure is driven by 4 key resources areas. The first one is physical resources. This includes the cost of our facilities, machinery, and the crucial rapid prototyping required to ensure our hardware is durable enough for students. The second one is intellectual resources. We invest heavily here. This covers the cost of securing our knowledge, filing patents and copyright, and maintaining our customer database. Protecting our proprietary design is a major cost driver but essential for our long-term viability. The third one is human resources. Our focus here is on the cost associated with our trainees, developing the talent that builds and refine our product. And the last one is financial resources. Finally, there are costs associated with securing and managing grants and financial guarantees, which fuel our R&D and operation.
Who are we building this for? We have identified 2 specific market segments. Our primary focus is the education sector, especially in elementary and secondary schools. We are targeting the STEM clubs and RBT panels that need to meet national curriculum standard. Secondly, we serve the business to consumer sector. This includes hobbyists and proactive parents who want to invest in high quality educational kits for their children outside school hours. We capture both the formal classroom market and the home learning market. Now, how do we maintain these customers? We don't just sell a box and walk away. First, we offer dedicated personal assistance. Because our product is technical, we ensure that if a teacher or a student gets stuck, they have direct access to our support team. Second, we use a community-based system. We are building an ecosystem where educators and hobbyists can share their coding projects and solar experiments. This creates a sense of belonging that keeps them engaged with the SolarMind brand for long term.
Hello. Now that we have established the value of our SolarMind kits, now let's look into how we can reach our users and how the business can sustain itself. So let's dive into our channel and revenue streams. So our distribution strategy is built on a dual pathway approach. First, we leverage government collaboration working with national schools and universities like UTM. So what sets us apart in this channel is that we aren't just selling hardware. We are aligning our program directly with their learning outcomes and program outcomes by ensuring our kits specifically support STEM, physics, and environmental science modules. We make it so to make it seamless for educators to integrate SolarMind into their existing KSSR and KSSM framework. Beyond the classroom, we utilize social media to reach hobbyists who are eager to learn about STEM and sustainable energy, and parents who want a no-solder safe environment for home-based learning. Okay, so how does SolarMind make money? Our first big step is product sales. We sell our own microbit solar and wind kits. Think of this as our bread and butter. We sell this in bulk to school for their labs, and we also sell them one by one to parents and hobbyists who wants to learn at home. It's a simple direct way to get our technology into the hands of users. So our second revenue model is scaling through services. We believe that the hardware is only as good as the person using it. So our second stream is service-based model, providing specialized train-the-trainers courses, which are tailored for KSSR and KSSM instructors, giving them the technical confidence to achieve those specific learning outcomes we've aligned with. The service-first approach ensures long-term loyalty and guarantees that our products are delivering real educational value in every lab and classroom. By combining strict curriculum alignment with a balanced mix of product sales and expert services, SolarMind is positioned to be a long-term leader in Malaysian STEM education. Thank you.
In summary, SolarMind is a 100% Bumiputra company positioned for rapid growth. By combining hardware sales with our specialized train-the-trainer services, we are on the track to capture 50 schools and generate 200,000 ringgit in revenue within our first year. But our impact goes beyond profit. We are directly aligned with the Ministry of Education Literacy digital goals. We are ensuring that the next generation of Malaysian is not just reading about the future, but they are building it. We are creating students who are future ready, technically capable, and environmentally aware. With that, we are ready to lead this change. We are Solar Mind, navigating innovation and driving sustainability for Malaysian future. Thank you.